Hey, Porter's here, and I'm very excited. I just got a box from an order I put in from the Black Star Arts Alchemage's store on Homesteaders Co-op. It was an international order. It's wonderful that he does that, and it was sent by priority mail. And I know it's hard to figure out the international postage, and he was very kind to refund some of the postage I paid when he realized he had overcharged. So I'm going to share this with you. I had purchased a bottle of clove, spagyric tincture, and also myrrh spagyric tincture. So let's see what we got. Oh my! Oh, I've got an extra. I ordered 2 bottles, and look at this. Oh, okay, so I have all nicely packed up, very secure. Oh, cool. So he threw in an extra spagyric tincture of garlic. For anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and immune booster. I love his cool logos on his bottle. So I bought the spagyric tincture of myrrh and the spagyric tincture of cloves. And I was so happy when I found out that he was putting them in the Homesteaders Co-op. For I'd been following him when he was telling about his process and everything, and it's very detailed, and he's a real true alchemist, and it was wonderful. I've got there a little note here too, telling about the material that went in, or how to make it. Oh, cool. So how you can make a spagyric tincture. Huh. So I can make it all on my own. And he writes, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your order of myrrh and a clove tincture are the very first orders he received after having just opened my site. You, among a handful of others, are the main reason I've taken the time to really move forward with this process as I work towards officially starting my business as a provider of alternative health solutions. I am grateful that I have people like you in my life to encourage me to better myself through the crafts I have honed in order to help the community. While I deeply appreciate your purchase, I hope you continue to support my business. Alchemical products are most potent when prepared by one who will be consuming the extract. With that said, here's a brief synopsis of the process the tincture goes through. With love and respect, Popioksky Polskyril, the wise, Black Star Arts. And thanks again, dear friend. Please enjoy this complimentary gift of my garlic tincture. Be well in all you do. That is so nice. That's cool that he teaches you how you can make your very own. Thank you very much, Alchemage, and hope you check out his store at the Homesteaders Co-op, homesteaderscoop.com, and his store is called the Black Star Arts. Let me check on that. Black Star Arts. Just wanted to get it right. All right, thanks again, and thanks for tuning in.